Welcome back to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF, and today I am here to show you how to do your very first nature journal entry. So hopefully you already have your nature journal. We showed you how to make this last week. Now if you missed that clip, just go back and check out how to make a nature journal. Really easy and fun project. If you were lucky enough to go to Park and Play, maybe you got your own pre-made nature journal, or if you have just a notebook or anything else around the house that you can use to write down your observations. So this is my daughter Quinn, and she's going to help me out today with doing some nature journaling herself. So grab your nature journal, your pencil, and get outside to your park, your backyard, look out your window, wherever you can that you can observe nature. What we're going to do is open our journal, and on each entry, so each page, you want to add these important things. You want to put the date, you want to put the time, you want to put your location. So I would say backyard, American Canyon, but if you're at your park, you could do Shenandoah Park or Kimberly Park or Wetlands Edge. So always add like your city and state. So what you want to do is add those items. And then one other important factor in nature journaling is you always want to add the weather. What we're going to do is do an observation on one of the items we found when we were on our walk. So we've got this really cool seed head that we found. And what you want to do is look at your prompts, which are, I notice, I wonder, it reminds me of. And when you journal, you want to include pictures if you like to draw, numbers, words, descriptions, and just ask yourself, what do I notice when I look at this plant or animal or whatever it is? What do I wonder about it? So what questions do I have about it? What plant is that from? We'll have to probably research that a little bit. What do you notice about it?
I noticed that, like, it's kind of has, it's like seeds, but it has, like, it kind of reminds me of, like, mini one of the pine tree leaves, like really small, that in circles.
Well, there you go. So it reminds you of a circular pine tree. So that's a good observation. So the other things you want to do is maybe if you can, do a drawing. It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about it. Just draw what you see as well as you can. Because this is for you to go back and look at later. And maybe share with your parents. They'll be very impressed. That is it for Curiosity Kids for today. So go to acparks.org. You can print out your instructions. So get outside, have some fun, go explore, and watch for the next video coming out next Monday. Bye!